It's getting crazy. OMG. We found there's the little 3 baby palm trees over there. It just got really gusty. Irma is like by Naples. We're still feeling it, obviously, but yeah, I think we're on the southeast side of Irma now. I think she's kind of a little bit north of us, so I think we're kind of in the, holy shit, tree just fell down. Okay, that was intense. Where? Shit. Alright, Tula, you should go inside. That was intense. It kind of quieted down, so I let her come out for a second, but that was a little too crazy. We're under this little thing right here. Wow. I can't believe I got a tree branch falling down just then. That was really loud.